Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, let's see if you can stand a tethered handstand on the path of least resistance. The tethered handstand is a great way to develop your upside down balance, but don't attempt this one without a spotter. Find a narrow gate opening and a fence with sturdy side posts. Wrap the hardware of one leash around the post on your right. Clip it to its own webbing and pull snug around the post. Put the handle of that anchored leash through the handle of the unattached leash. Stand in between the leashes. On your left, put the hardware of your second leash through the handle of your anchored leash. Your hip should now be encircled by a big slip knot. Wrap the hardware of the second leash around the post on your left and clip it back to its own webbing. Tighten that slip knot around your waist with the pick points off your left and right hips. Bend down and put your hands on the ground. Kick your feet up over your head and allow the leash harness to hold you upright as you find your balance. It will feel unstable at first. Hold this position for a count of 10, then bring your knees to your chest and stand back up. Repeat to develop your sense of upside down balance. Check your equipment before every workout. Have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it. Flip your perspective, but don't crash land. Harness your hips with a tethered handstand on the path of least resistance. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, do not clip your leashes to the subscribe button.